Hello everyone, behind me is a 73 Duster finished in dark gold metallic, just the way it was born. This car has been beautifully restored and a little bit rust modded. Tune in as we take a look at a very compact muscle car, kind of the end of the era. It's the 73. So we're kicking things off up front. I gotta say, this thing's got great lines, great finishes. And starting with the chrome, I don't see any chips, I don't see any dings, and the finish is quite nice. There's no oxidation in that chrome. So this car's been stored well. And to me, this looks like a factory bumper that was redone. This lower air dam looks sweet and has not been parked on any curbs. I like that. 2-part hood release. We have this little slide, and we got one more up underneath here. Look at that dual snorkel. Badass. With the matte black hood, sporting 340 wedge graphics, and there's our 340 wedge. This thing is very handsome. I love the fabricated aluminum valve covers. It looks nice and mean. This thing sounds mean. I know the motor was redone. We've got a little bit of paperwork with this car, I believe with the cam card. Sounds quite nice, especially given its factory manifolds. And this car is equipped with powerless brakes and power steering. Got a heavy duty radiator, original fender tag right there for you. Breaks this car down just as she was. And let me show you guys how this hood closes up. All right. Seals up good. Hood sits down in the fender nicely. Big fan of this white paint stripe we got going down the side of it. Got some foofs, 17-inch wheels looking fly, chrome 5-spoke. We got our disc brakes beyond there. A nice little attention to detail. We got a Duster graphic on top of that caliper and a real nice fender badge here. Good looking gaps. This all fits up very nicely. Trim on our Landau top or vinyl top looks awesome. Good door gaps over here. Chrome on the door handle looks great, minus a couple of fingerprints. Gas fill looking nice. Some more Foos wheels out back. 17s in the front and an 18 here in the back. Tail panel looks sweet. I love the bit of white in there. Goes really nicely with our white vinyl top and this kind of root beer bronze or gold metallic. Dual stainless exhaust. Nice little badge for our Hurst 4-speed up front. Let me show you inside the trunk. Sweet, that opens nicely. The trunk compartment here, so we got some paperwork. Here's a comp cam card, broadcast sheet with it also. Up underneath here, you'll find the spare tire, and we also got a jack over there. But other than that, just a nice matte. It's an original trunk pan. There's no patchwork, nothing's been replaced, and it's free of rot. Underside of the deck lid, looks awesome. It's got a couple little rubber bump stops that are doing its job. Show you this closing up. Cool. And it sits down on the quarter really nicely. Wheel arch molding looks great. No dents or dings to note. Great gaps again. Got some original Penstar glass, which is in really great shape. Dual chrome mirror car. This isn't a color combination you see every day, but I really dig it, and I like the look of this white interior. Let's check that out. Wow. All right, doors open like $1,000,000. We have an original sticker here with the VIN on it in the door jamb. The hardware holding the latch has not been painted over. They've done a proper nice job. Door edges look awesome. Door cards look great. We got some good contrasting colors. Beautiful vinyl seat with the split back. We've got lap belts for everybody and shoulder belts. Very cool. Factory wheel in great shape, not cracked up any. Love the wood inlay in our instruments around here. Gauges for voltmeter, gauges for our alternator, our coolant temp, our fuel level, and we have warning lights for assuming oil pressure and brake pressure, or if any fault in the proportioning valve. Speedo runs up to 120. We've got 58,000 miles on the clock, which are believed to be original. Got a factory switch over here for the map light, our parking brake. On the floor, something you don't see too often, we've got a big pusher to spray the washer solvent, and below that we have the switch to work our brights. And while we're down here, this is our nice Hurst shifter on top of our A833 4-speed transmission. We got a reverse warning light. I'm not a big speaker guy, but we have a factory knob under here to adjust balance, I believe. Auxiliary gauge for oil pressure and an auxiliary tack. Factory AM/FM radio up here. Factory heater controls, everything in a brilliant condition, as is the dash pad. And open this glove box for you. Nice and clean. We've got an owner's manual in here with the warranty booklet. This does have the QA1 suspension up underneath it. And here's another receipt for some work that was performed. Very good. Out back is really clean. We got a couple more lap belts, nice rear cards, sail panels in good shape. They have a rear defrost window, which is cool. A couple of JVC speakers added in the package tray, and a nice tight felt headliner with the working dome lamp. And here's a look at our shoulder belts, visors, and a nice and crisp rear view mirror. Just to roll through a few of our functions here. When you pull the parking brake, that light actually comes up. And earlier I inferred it was a switch off the proportioning valve. No, it's actually for the handbrake. Pretty cool. Radio over here. Original radio working, sounding pretty good. Blower motor working great. Two speeds. Rolling around in this Duster now. We just filled up the tank. The fuel gauge is working like it's supposed to. Been really pleased, man. Everything works on this thing. All the gauges, the lights on the dash, and it drives really smoothly. Good bit of get up, healthy sound on exhaust, and it's a head turner at the gas station. Check that off the list. Alignment's nice and good. Coming into a bend here. Thing gets it. Ah, good squirrel. Turned around just before we met him. We're in third gear right now, about to shift into fourth. Just a smooth operating machine here. Power brakes have been a dream to use. Stop this car rather evenly, and you can smoothly downshift it too. Help you bring it to a stop. Okay, let's stretch our legs a little bit. So you can roll through the gears, take a turn on these nice radial tires. And she's a smooth cruiser at 60. That's a good car. If you want to know anything more about the car, you can call us or email us. The number to dial is 248-714-2110, or the email, it's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. If you want to know more information, not just only about the car, but maybe how we can ship a car like this, finance a car like this, let us know. We'd be happy to. And down below, there is a link included. That link will take you over to view the full listing of this car. We got pictures up underneath it, pictures all the way around it, and a breakdown on there, a little description of what's been done, where it's been, all that good information. Thank you guys for tuning in. We always appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you in an old ride soon.